the understanding of sulfur. So, in row 3, you have natrium, magnesium, and then alumina, silica, phosphorus, sulfur, and chlorine. We need to understand this. Now, the theme of sulfur is the theme of pride, the theme of ego, and the feeling, I am no better than you. I need to be appreciated for who I am, for doing something special, for being someone special, for being better at something than other people, to establish my identity, to be known for and as something. Now, what is the difference between, let's say, sulfur and argentum, which is in the 5th row of the periodic table? So there you see in 5th row, it is the row of innovation, invention, creativity, skill, performance. It's a very specialized thing. When argentum says I am special, means I am very, very skilled at something. You see? I am very skilled at something. It may be public speaking, it may be engineering, it may be medicine, it may be, music, singing, whatever it may be. I am very skilled. See? But in sulfur, it is a kind of a foolish pride, a foolish happiness and pride. For example, there was a patient who came and said to me, Doctor, I know your language. Your mother tongue is Tamil. I know Tamil. Vanakkam, vanakkam. See, I know Tamil. I mean, what a foolish thing to say. You are taking pride that you know 2 words of my language. And with what? So, why is he saying that? Because it makes him feel something special. He's something that others are not. Maybe majority of my patients don't even know those 2 words, but this guy knows 2 words of Tamil. I can make out what he knows. You see, this is that foolish happiness and pride. And this feeling of foolish happiness and pride also comes from the opposite feeling of being not appreciated, of being suppressed, of being told you know nothing, you're stupid, shut up, you're not good enough, keep quiet. This is the other side of sulfur: scorned, disgraced, unappreciated. And from this comes the feeling, I need to do something by which people will know me, will remember me. It can be something very, very simple, but they will know me. Maybe I wear a very nice dress. Maybe I try to look good. Maybe I have a branded something. Maybe I'm wearing a certain perfume. Maybe I can cook a certain dish. Maybe I can do this. And also here, because it is row 3 and superclass 3, that something good could also be in a way to please somebody else, to do something good for you, make you a nice card, make you a happy, with my own hand, whatever it may be, so that there is appreciation.